With the clock ticking to the August 27th deadline, which is just 3 days away, Parliament is yet to approve the Gender Representation Bill 1 year after they extended its deadline to allow further consultation. MPs are yet to arrive at a consensus despite several versions of the bill being drafted and tabled in Parliament. The latest attempt was on Tuesday when Senate was seized of the bill, but debate had to be shelved due to a quorum hitch. And now, with the country staring at the possibility of the matter ending up in the courts for arbitration, religious leaders have faulted women legislators in the Senate for failing to support the bill when it came up for debate due to their absence in the chamber.
You could say it's a statement by the Senate and the National Assembly about the casualness with which they regard a matter that is so grave and major. It is, of course, very disappointing that out of 18 women in the Senate, only 6 showed up for this debate. But it is reckless for them to be away from a matter that touches on the welfare and the inclusion principle for the women of Kenya.
The men of cloth are also proposing a raft of amendments to the bill.
Ensure that not less than 1/3 of candidates nominated in political party strongholds are women. Amend the law to peg a proportion of public funding for parties to the number of women elected in the party ticket.
Led by NCCK Secretary General Canon Peter Karanja, the leaders are warning the process may face a protracted court battle if a protagonist in the matter uses Article 261, Clause 5 of the Constitution to seek redress from the courts to have Parliament disbanded for failing to approve the law.
Kenya, we think what is now likely to happen, someone will go to court and invoke the provisions in the Constitution that when Parliament fails to comply with the requirements of the Constitution, it can be found to be in breach of its mandate and acted outside the dictates of the Constitution, and Parliament can actually be dissolved.
The religious leaders are proposing amendments to the bill to ensure that not less than 1/3 of the candidates nominated in political party strongholds are women, as well as limit the period an individual can be nominated or hold women representative seat to a maximum of 2 terms. The leaders who faulted lawmakers for failing to amend the bill say they will engage them to approve the bill before Sunday when the timeline lapses. Lynace Mwashighadi for Channel 1 News.